spinner, namaste so to say. You're on Penstock, channel about pen spinning. My name is Alex Lance, and today I will show you a basic, you can do it with a regular pen, but yet the most mysterious pen spinning trick ever. You know, by this moment it is pretty hard to find a proper tutorial for infinity reverse. Some tutorials show wrong tricks. For example, Super Walrus shows extended infinity reverse, Ninetales shows just figure 8 reverse. I mean, some people don't even believe in its existence.
Must be extended. There's no not extended infinity reverse.
And still, here we are, learning how to do infinity reverse. By the way, I want to say that it is even easier than normal infinity trick. You check it out and let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you don't know how to do infinity, I have several tutorial videos for this trick family. We'll leave all useful links in the description. And yeah, we will start by learning figure 8 reverse, a basis of the basic trick. Well, this one is slightly more difficult than normal, but since, and that's between you and me, I don't even consider figure 8 normal to be a trick at all. I mean, we don't do much to make it happen, right? So there will be no pen spin movement easier than this. And reversed figure 8 is half level above this simple move. Okay, take your pen mod in T1, by its grip of course, we are doing wipers here. Body lays on thumb flap. Now we turn hand upside down, palm out, to let pen mod fall. While it keeps on moving, I curve one, mod rolls a bit between fingers, and at the same time I turn hand palm up again in such a round movement. This movement might be confusing, so pay attention. Mod moves down, and when it goes along index, I curve the finger and by that roll mod a little. So now when we turn hand palm up again, thumb is above grip and index is below it. Let pen mod move in a circle motion up and repeat the motion. This way, with this rolling and stuff, is just for learning, to get a concept. It would take you a couple of minutes. When you got the move in the proper way, when you do it faster, with the proper pen mod's balance, you can do figure 8 reverse like this. When pen mod initially falls, you like sway hand slightly. So when it goes, you don't really roll it between fingers, but more like throw it up by a circle hand movement. After that, you can practice this trick continuously. It is very helpful. It is the basic of reversed wipers. Now, infinity reverse is pretty similar to that. We also start in this position when body is on thumb flap, and the very same way we turn hand upside down in order to let pen mod move, and as it moves down, keep middle finger curved. So you could stop pen mod in this position, holding by grip in 1-2 with the bigger part out. To practice next move, you can start by charge and change hold from 1-2 to T1 when pen mod gets parallel to index finger and you turn hand palm up. After some practicing, it will come naturally. When pen mod makes full circle, it gets out of slot 1-2 on its own, and you just need to pinch it with thumb. And that's the starting position for the next infinity reverse circle. Again, this way of doing the trick is for learning, to get a concept. Doing actual trick is even easier than that. When you do it faster, you will make this pass from 1-2 to T1 by proper turning hand from palm out to palm up. A pen mod falls, you hold it in 1-2 and then sway it up by hand's movement. As you can see, the trick is very similar to figure 8 reverse. You just add this pass to 1-2 and back and forth for the fraction of a second. And to my mind, it makes it even easier. So, infinity reverse is a basic pen spinning trick. You can find more of such tricks in a separate playlist, learn them one by one, and flex in front of your friends. Cheers.